In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to monday.com. By contacts, we're talking about people you invite into your account so they appear in your team directory and can collaborate on boards. You'll need admin access for this process. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your account admin. Start on your monday.com homepage. Look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Administration. This takes you to the admin area where you control workspace settings, users, and permissions. In the admin panel, go to the directory section, then open the users view. This is your central list of everyone in the account, including active members, pending invites, and deactivated users. Before inviting anyone new, use the search bar at the top to confirm the person isn't already in the system under a different email. Searching first helps you avoid duplicates and seed issues if your plan limits the number of users. You can also use the filter controls to narrow the list. Open the filter and refine by status, such as active or pending, or by other available criteria your account provides. Filters make it easier to spot whether someone has already been invited but hasn't accepted yet. If you don't find the person after searching and filtering, you're ready to invite them. Click the invite button. Choose the option to invite with email. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. You can paste multiple emails separated by commas or spaces, depending on your account's input format. Add a short welcome message if you like. This is optional but helpful for context. A quick note that explains why they're being added and what to expect can improve acceptance rates and reduce confusion. When everything looks good, click Invite to Send. Monday.com will email the recipients with a secure link to join your account. Once they accept, they'll appear as active users in your directory. If your plan supports roles or permission levels at this stage, choose the appropriate role for each person based on what they need to do. It's a good practice to assign the least access necessary and adjust later if required. After sending, you can return to the user's view to track pending invites, resend invitations if needed, or filter again to review your list. If someone can't find the invite, ask them to check their spam folder or allow emails from monday.com. That's it. Navigate to Administration, open Directory, confirm they're not already there, and send an email invite with an optional message. You're now set to grow your team with confidence.